Now in this session I will explain sum number C, D and E of question number 1 of exercise 8.3 chapter comparing quantities. Okay, so it is very easy. So all the sums are based on the half yearly formulas. Fine, so question number C, we have principal as, so we'll write the principal here, students. So principal as rupees 62500. So principal is given 62500. N is given 1.5 years. Fine, 1.5 years, and rate is given 8% compounded half yearly. Okay, 8% compounded. See, they have already written this compounded half yearly. Now when you see this word is written compounded half yearly, and if n is given in the mixed fraction form, then you need to change this mixed fraction form to improper form, that is 3/2 years. Fine, it is only when you will do this, when you will convert the mixed fraction form to improper form, when this word is written, that is compounded half yearly. But as we have done in question number B, that when it is written compounded annually, then we will do it separately. That is, first 1 year we will find out, then half year. Now, as because it is written compounded half yearly, so we will directly use the formula of compounded half yearly, which we have already discussed in my last video. That is P into 1 plus R upon 2 into 100 to the power 2n. Isn't it? Now we'll put the values. Now what is P? P is 62500. So 62500. 1 plus what is R given? 8. 8/2 into 100. Now to the power 2 into n. Now what is n? N is 3/2. So we'll write 3/2. Now let's reduce some of the values. So we can reduce, as you see, we can reduce this too, isn't it? Even we can reduce this also, isn't it? So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are, we can reduce 4 and 100 also, 4 1s are and 4 25s are. So let me write it in the fresh way, that is, it will look like 62500, 1 plus 1/25 to the power 3. Now we'll solve the bracket. Now let us solve the bracket first. So that would be, we have to take the LCM. As you all know, that 1 is carrying 1 as a denominator. So 25 divided by 1 is 25. So 25 ones are 25. Plus 25 divided by 25 is 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. The rest part I will do it here. So amount would be what? 62500 into, it would be 26/25 to the power 3. Okay, now let's expand this. Okay, now 62500 into 26/25 into 26/25 into 26/25. Okay, so what will be the answer? Now you have to reduce this. So 25 ones are 25 hundreds. Okay, then again we have to reduce 25 ones are 25 hundreds. So again you reduce 25 ones are 25 wholes. Isn't it? As because 25 is a 625. Fine. So you have to multiply what? You have to multiply 4 into 26 into 26 into 26. So that would be what? 4 into 26 into 26 into 26. Okay, so you will get the answer as, so amount will be what? So after multiplication you will get the answer as 70304. 70304. Okay, now finally we have to find out CI. So what is the formula of CI, students? What we discussed yesterday? It is A minus B, isn't it? A minus B. So what is A? 70,304 minus what is P given? 62,500. So what would be the difference then? The difference would be 7,804. Okay students, so this is a solution of sum number C of question number 1. Now let's do sum number D of question number 1. Now sum number D, I have already written the value students. That is P is 8,000 given, N is 1 year given, rate is 9%. Again compounded half yearly is written. So it will directly use the formula of half yearly. So it is A equals to P into, inside the bracket, 1 plus R by 2 into 100 to the power 2n. Now let's put the values. This is 8,000. 1 plus R is 9 is given. 2 into 100 is 200. 2 into N is given 1 this time. So we'll put 1 here. Okay. So that means 8,000. Solve the bracket. That is 200 will be the LCM. Here we will have 200 plus 9 to the power 2. So 8,000 into 209 by 200 to the power. Now let's do the rest part here. So 8,000 into 209 by 200 into 209 by 200. So we have to reduce this to this. Fine. So let's reduce this. Let's reduce this 2 zeros. Let's reduce this 1. Fine. So 2 4s are 8. Now 2 10s are 20. 2 2s are 4. Isn't it? Now we'll keep it in this way. We have 10 in the denominator. We'll not disturb that. Okay. So instead we'll multiply all these things together now. So 2 into 209 into 209 by 10. Just simply multiply all the numerators. Fine. If you multiply it, you will get the answer as 87362. 87362. Okay, just a minute. 87362 by 10. Now we can easily convert this into the decimal form, as we have only 1 0. So from the extreme right side, we'll take, after 1, we'll put the decimal. So it will look like rupees 8736.2. So this is your required amount, students. Fine. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out CI. So CI is what? Amount minus principal. Fine. So this is an amount. So 87362 minus 8,000. Principal is 8,000, isn't it? So if you subtract, you get the answer as 736.2. So this is your required compound interest. Okay, now let's move on to the sum number E of question number 1. Now sum number E of question number 1, principal is given 10,000, N is 1 year, and rate is 8% compounded half yearly. Again half yearly, so we'll write the formula of half yearly. Now let's put the values. That is, what is the value of principal? 10,000. So we'll write 10,000. 1 plus, what is R given? 8. 2 into 100 is 200. To the power 2 into, in place of N is what? 1. So I've written 1. Now let's reduce the values. See, 8 and 200 can be reduced directly. That is 8 ones are 8. 8 25s are. Okay. So 8 ones are 8, 8 25s are is 200. Now let us write. So that will be what? 10,000. We'll take the LCM. Okay, we'll write it in this form first. To the power 2. Okay. Now let's solve it. Solve the bracket. 10,000. Now we'll take the LCM. It will be 25 plus 1. So it will look like 10,000 26 by 25 to the power 2. Okay. So that this will be 10,000 into 26 by 25. 26 by 25. Now let's reduce this. Okay, so 25 ones are 25, 25 400. 25 ones are 25, it will be 16. 25 16s are 400. Okay, so we have nothing in the denominator, only one we have. So just we have to multiply all the numbers that we have in the numerator. You just have to multiply this and you get the amount. So your required amount will be 10,816. 10,816. Fine. So finally we have to find the CI, which is amount minus principal. So 10,816 minus what is principal given? 10,000. So subtract, that is 816 is the required answer. Okay. So that's it for today, students. Thank you so much. God bless you. Take care and stay blessed.